You know I burp when I'm hungry. It's really weird. Oh wait. I don't know why they even have pansies. Like, who thought pansies would be a good idea for... Hi, hat. Sorry. Timothy. Okay, I would not push any. Get the. Okay, let me. Can I burp on command? Yes.